बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं जनरल नॉलेज से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी वन पेपर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ बैंक अल्फला पार्टनर्स विद डैश फॉर ऑनलाइन परचेजेस। बैंक अल्फला पार्टनर्स विद yahoo.com. Where is the Jibbach Falls is located? That is in Bern Alps. आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू हैं, जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा। आपको इस चैनल पर पीपीएससी और एफपीएससी इंग्लिश लेक्चर की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट भी मिल जाएगी। हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक स्ट्रगल फॉर पाकिस्तान? दैट इज़ आयज कुरैशी। Which cricket team is called the Tigers? That is called Bangladesh. Consider the following countries: Algeria, Morocco, Mauritania. Which of these borders the Mediterranean Sea? That is 1 and 2, Algeria and Morocco. Who is known as the poet of nature? That is William Wordsworth. NSO is the secret agency of Nigeria. The currency of Belize is, that is, dollar. Who is the author of the book Principia Mathematica? That is Mathematica. That is Isaac Newton. Which port exports wheat, beef and wool? That is Bahia Blanca. The next is, which city is the center of Roman civilization and culture? That is Rome. According to clause 224 of the Constitution, elections for the national and provincial assemblies are to be held within dash days following the day the term of assemblies expires. That is 60 days. The world's longest bridge, Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, is located in China. Which city is called the modern Babylon? That is London. Lime is the capital of which country? That is Peru. Dr. Abdul Salam was born in which city of Pakistan? That was born in city of Pakistan, that is Jhank. The currency of Greek is, that is euro. Paraguay river empties into Parana river. Which is the largest oil producing member country of OPEC? That is Saudi Arabia. The Statue of Liberty was a gift to USA from which of the following country? That is France. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.